Hey guys, welcome to Cassie J. If you are new here, my name is Cassie J. I am on a debt-free journey. I am trying to get my life together and I'm trying to get my things situated. I am also trying to purchase a house. I am also trying to purchase land, and I'm trying to make sure that I have my life set up as easy and simple as I can get it. So if y'all are into cash stuffing, savings challenge, debt free, and things of that nature, please go ahead and subscribe down below. If you are new, comment down below, say hello, and also don't forget, everybody, like the video please. I'm trying to get my video up to as much as I can, so if that is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, so we are actually going to be stuffing my bill binder, and I actually had to get it because I completely forgot to grab it earlier. So let's just go ahead and put it there. I went ahead and did my monthly budget for July. In July, I have more income coming in for this month. There is some side hustles that I was actually doing over the month of June, and they're going to pay out in July. I also have a few other things that like, you know, bonus and things of that nature that actually hit at the end of July. So my income's a little bit different. I have already received income on the 2nd of July, which is what we're actually stuffing. I did not get all of the income. It's just what I'm actually stuffing towards my bills binders today. And then I also made a payment towards debt, but y'all will actually get that information whenever I update my Transfer Tuesday. So y'all will actually be seeing that. And I brought out my wand, y'all, because your girl's ready, okay? Your girl's ready. So because of the fact that I haven't actually paid it, I'm going to do a month closeout with the amount that I actually paid right here. I do want to say that this is my estimated of, let's go over it. Let's just go over it, guys. Alright, so as for my 9 to 5, I budgeted $2,400, and that is because I tried to lowball it. If I get exactly 40 hours in a week, which, you know, sometimes I don't, but if I get exactly 40 hours in a week, it will come out to roughly 2,463, if I'm not mistaken, or 36, something like that. So I just went ahead and did something underneath. Most times I get each week I get a good 2 hours overtime. So with the overtime, that money I try to put towards like a savings account. Me and my cousins are actually talking about having a savings challenge, like a high-end savings challenge, where every 2 weeks we are putting like $30 or $50 into a high-end savings account so that we can have a family reunion once a year, because there's really no reason for us to not be able to get together and spend time together, and we've been working, and that's our excuse, is that we just work. So we don't want to have excuses anymore. We want to be able to travel. So I am going to be every 2 weeks we're putting money in there. We haven't set it on the amount, but if we look at it, we would roughly have maybe $4,500 from at the end of the year. It's going to have an interest being applied every month. We don't know how much it's actually going to have. So if we can actually have a good $5,000 a year, more than likely we will be doing really well. We'd actually do really well with the traveling. So we're not going to be going to Rome and stuff like that, but we do want to have, like, take the kids to like a family event, or be able to go do something with the kids, and that's where that money is going to go. Now we do plan on having adults a night or vacations, whatever, where we have like a weekend trip and we're just having just the adults, no kids. That is going to be coming out of my income, and I wanted to start doing that. Have another savings account that does that. I'm actually going to move money that's going into a savings account that is not a high yield. I'm going to move it over to a high yield, because I don't know why I haven't been doing it in a long time. So it's just a small savings account that, you know, it's just been sitting there, and I haven't been adding anything to it. So I'm going to go ahead and close that savings account out and move it over to a different one. That's neither here nor there. But for Etsy this month, I budgeted low because we have been we have been making, you know, really good sales, whatever, but if I budget low, I like have low expectations, then, you know, whatever over it goes to, it can go to something else. So, and I like to budget underneath. So we already got $200. I already got $200, but I wanted to make sure that, you know, we lowered the amount for the month of July. And then for notary, I want to do a little bit more notary gigs. I'm not sure exactly what exactly I want to be doing, but I do know that I want to be doing the notary. If y'all can hear like a water or something in the background, it is my bathroom. For some reason, we can hear like if their toilet flushes or something upstairs, or if they're washing their hands, we can hear it really loud lately, and I don't know why. It's never been like that before, but like if they wash their hands, or even in the kitchen, it's like it's like enhanced or something. Like maybe there was nobody living there and it's all of a sudden somebody moved in, now we can hear it. I have no idea, but I realized that the other day and I was like, there's people upstairs? Is there people? And I thought it was like me or somebody like in my bathroom because my door is closed. And I was like, so I went in there, you know, because if you're using my restroom, I don't know who you are. And then it turned out to be that there are neighbors upstairs. So how long have they been there? I have no idea. Okay, so on here, if y'all are gonna see these little marks or whatever, it's I marked them out, I rounded it up, $5. And I'm going to go ahead and add the $5 in there because I was putting the amount that was actually due, but I don't have fives. I don't like the ones and the fives. And I was going to start, you know, taking ones and fives out of the account whenever I get around to it, save my ones and fives. But every time I come around ones and fives, I put it in my pouch. I don't stuff them. So I do not use ones and fives. And I realized that I just don't like it. I don't like to use ones and fives. So anyway, so that's for the notary. I plan on doing more work for notary. Miscellaneous for this month, which is the income that I was mentioning. I already got the roughly 3,000 something of it, 2,000 something of it, and I have a few funds coming in, and that's just with the other side hustles. I wasn't going to list all my side hustles. I just put them all together, rounded it to the, you know, the lowest 10. So with rent, today I am not going to put the full 1,400. I am actually just putting the 700 in there. Car insurance is getting 200, internet is getting 90, phone is getting 120, Fed loan is getting 30, student loan 70, subscription 70, Finger Hut 40, which is a subscription. Capital One 50, and my credit card is getting 510. Cart maintenance, I'm going to add 50, and debt, I plan on doing 1,000 towards the towards debt for the month of July. Hopefully we can get that taken care of. And then as for travel binder, emergency, back to school, and moving, as of right now, I budget 200 for travel, 50 for emergency, 200 for back to school, 100 for moving. And then altogether, my income source for the month of July should be roughly $9,360. My expenses, I'll be paying $3,602. And then it's just towards bills. This is not including my medical bills at all, which I should go ahead and start tracking that. I keep saying that, but I'm not going to. Budget binder is $550. And then total with the all subtracted or whatever from each other, $5,208 is what I should be able to have to work with after bills are paid. And this is not including my budget, my vacation budget, or my family budget, my family reunion or whatever budget. I don't even know what it's called anymore. And then it's not including my medical bills or my unexpected expenses. So let's go ahead and put this over to the side. I just wanted to go over that so that I could make sure that I had a visual of what I was going to be stuffing. And I tried to round it up again. Like I told you, I did do the denominations page, but I'm not going to go over that. I'm just going to do this. So hopefully I have everything that I need right here, because y'all, I was kind of rushing earlier, and because I was trying to make sure that I did this so that I can actually put the physical money, or the digital money, I guess, whatever, into the correct bank accounts or whatever. And I wanted to make sure I recorded it so I can make sure that my mind is like fresh in case something pops up and I'm like, oh, I need to do this. All right, so for the first one is going to be rent. And for rent, I said I was going to put $700. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then my next check, I'm going to put the other $700 in it. And this is for the August rent. Car insurance is going to be getting $200. Is it the next one? Phone. All right, so phone. Why is it not in order? Phone is going to get $120. Credit card is going to be getting $510. This time is getting $510. I am not going to be doing the 3, 4, 5. I am not going to be putting this much money in it every time. I'm just not going to do it. I was going to knock it out and try to put $1,000 every month or more, and I'm just not going to. All right, so subs, because this is everywhere. I'm going to prep this for next month because they're out of order. Subs is getting $70. All right, car insurance is going to get $200. Loans, which would be Fed loan and ACS, is going to get $30 for Fed loans. And AES is getting $70. So I should have just did 100. So there's 50, 70, 90, 100. Oh. Finger Hut is going to get $40. Internet is going to get $90. Really? Internet is going to get $90. And then electric, this is for January. And electric, I'm only putting, why is it putting like that? Putting. I'm not putting anything for electric. Okay. And then P.O. Box, I'm not putting anything for P.O. Box. All right. And so I do have to grab, I told myself I was going to get these out too, and I was like, no, I don't need them. All right, so for this one, for cruise, we're not putting anything. Adventure, moving, holidays, birthday, Christmas. Well, emergency, family emergency, household. I'm not putting anything. Where's my car maintenance? Vehicle. Yo, do I know what I'm doing anymore? All right, so vehicle is going to be getting $50. And we stuffed rent, car insurance, internet, phone, loan, subscriptions, Finger Hut, Capital One. So my credit card is going to get $50, and the other one is going to be getting $510. So I should put I should have put 560 in there. 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 20, 40, 50, 60. So 5, 60 and corrected word. I was like, where am I missing? Okay, so that is going to be, these are the binders that I pulled out. These envelopes are actually in the shop. I now do not put them here. I actually put them on the line here. And then it is smaller, and I do have a link to the Etsy shop so that you can actually check those out. And don't forget that in the month of July we are going to be doing a giveaway one time each month, and I'll go ahead and leave the clip at, hopefully I posted the clip of the giveaway at the beginning. So Cynthia is doing one, and then I will be doing one, so we're taking turns going back and forth. So just make sure that you keep an eye out for that. And if y'all have any questions about anything, then go ahead and reach out to me. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe if y'all like this content. Thank y'all so much, guys. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye, guys.